Good morning. How is everyone today? It is Thursday morning and it's time to go to work, so let's go. Y'all, I do not know how I let the studio part of back where the painting happens. It is horrible. It's a mess. So that is number one goal today, is to go in and get that reorganized and cleaned back up. I've decided that I'm going to be taking some things to my house to do to my home studio, things that I'm just not having time to do. I can't do everything there. My schedule is a little off right now because we have babies on the bottle, and with Jack's schedule, there's days that, like tomorrow. Well, is it tomorrow? Maybe it's tomorrow that I won't be able to be in. I like to be there by 10, and I've got to feed at 10:30. So, there's things that I can do while I'm waiting to go in town, and then I can focus on the business part of it and get more painting done. I need to mix a bunch of paints. I need to mix a bunch of paints. So I'll have to do that too. Yeah. I have to admit that my heart has been a little heavy. There's nothing to say. There's nothing to say that is going to be helpful or comforting. I've had a few breakdowns over it, and not just because I am a mother that has lost a child, but because it goes through my mind what those babies' last moments were like, and the children that are left behind. I mean, the teachers and everything also. I'm not taking away from anybody. My heart just, they're my granddaughter's age. We talked about it a little bit in our Bible study class last night, and there's one woman that has grandchildren about my granddaughter's age, my oldest granddaughter, and then there's two ladies that have kids in the age range, and I think it's so hard to even try to wrap your head around it, because our brains don't work that way. It's just not fathomable. And don't forget, I did create that email. If you have any prayer requests, if you have a need and you would like me to add you to my prayer journal and pray for you, I will absolutely be honored to do that. It's for nobody but me, and absolutely, and it's just prayformetrish@gmail.com. I am going to I'll probably videotape some of me cleaning. It's such a mess. But it's got to be done. just has to be done, so it's okay. All right, I will catch up with you guys later. $118. I just got done. I am so happy. I hate stuff like that. I hate things like that. Just clutter. So happy that's done. I have a little micro organizing to do, but that was the goal for today. I got everything packed up to take home. I don't know if you saw me packing up some wine glasses that I had done pours on. I need to take those home and resin those. I have to do that outside, so that will be at my home studio. And then the things for keychains, bracelets, etc. I pack those things up so I can work on those at home. Paint in the paint room. Got the canvases in the canvas room. It just, I'm happy. So I hope some of that footage works. My lunch is in the microwave. I didn't have anything to bring today, so I keep a bag of chicken nuggets. I keep a bag of chicken nuggets in the freezer just in case days like this happens. And I might come back and show you some shirts that I made. I need to print off one more and weed it, and then I can do these tank tops for an order. And yeah, thanks so much for hanging out with me. This could be the end, I mean, for today, because I have to keep stopping every time somebody comes in. I don't want anybody to feel uncomfortable, so